Hey everybody, Johan Magnusson here, Big Swede Barbecue, and today we're unboxing some new knives from Hammer Stahl. Some of you already know we've been using Hammer Stahl knives in our cooking videos and our cooking classes for quite a while, and we love these knives. They're heavy duty, they're sharp, they built really well, and most importantly, they cut very nicely. So we were extremely excited when we received a box in the mail today, and according to the rumor mill, it contains 4 new Damascus style knives from Hammer Stahl. So let's unbox it. So all the knives come in these beautiful boxes that makes them easy to store. And let's open up the first one. And here we have a 7-inch Nakiri knife. In this box we find a beautiful 10-inch slicer. We also have a 9-inch chef knife. And in the small box, we find a 5-inch utility knife. So these Damascus series style knives are made with Japanese forged 67-layer AUS10 steel. AUS10 basically means that it's a little bit harder steel, it's a little bit stronger, and it also stays sharp for a longer time. The beautiful handles are made with genuine rosewood, and the knives feel very sharp, and they're also very lightweight. So to summarize, we love our Hammer Stahl knife, the durability, the quality, but these Damascus knives, they are also amazing. So which one do we pick? Well, I think we have to use both. Hope you enjoyed this video. Happy Hammer Stahl grilling.